Father's Day. It's Calypso's 4th birthday. So we're here in Cotacaluaga for staycation. I'll show you the place. So this is our Airbnb, our home for tonight. This place is pet friendly. I'll show you around. It's a 3-bedroom house, 2 floors. Yan. Tignan nyo guys, ang laki ng property, ang ganda. And may swimming pool. What we like here is pwede maligo ang pets. Meron pa silang mga salbabida for pets. Tapos may area ka dito where you can stay. May video okay. May grill. Merong dirty kitchen sa likod. Entrance dito later, pero papasok tayo sa loob sa main entrance, and may space for your dogs. Ganda ng place. Di ko muna pinasok yung car kasi we want to go to the beach kasi may beach din dito. Pasok tayo ngayon sa loob. Hi Han! Guys, ang maganda rito kasi yung gate nila may ganyan. So kahit mag-walk yung mga dogs ninyo, walang magiging problema. Hindi sila makakalabas talaga. Pero mamaya na sila mag-walk kasi medyo mainit. Side. Hi, here's the kids. So, this is their sala. Start muna tayo sa taas. Sorry about that. Maingay ng kids. So, meron silang 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Double deck. Actually, may pull out pa sila dito. Same pa rin sa dogs, guys. Bedroom number 2. This is the CR pala. Okay. Bedroom number 3. Okay. Bedroom number 4. Let's go, Boris! Boris, let's go! There's mommy. Sala. This is the dining. May mga ganito na rin sila. Kitchen. And the restroom dito sa baba. Diba? And then that's the pool. Swimming sila dyan later. Yan ang kids. Nag-wiwi na. May pupo na rin. Get clean that later. Okay. So, ikot-ikot lang sila dito guys kasi safe naman. So, may area din dito na parang pwede nyong gawing kitchen. Mag-aayos na ako ng mga gamit namin. So, meron din tikoy. Bangking tikoy. Dinala rin kami ng sarili namin sa babida. Also have eggs. That's for the tikoy. And itlog na pula. Tapos, you know the good thing here, kompleto talaga siya. May dishwashing soap. May yellow na rin silang kasabay. That's really good. Another bigas. Amin naman pagkain. Soaking everything. This is for our sinigang. Grabe, sobrang kumpleto dito guys. So, for me, I'm just cooking sinigang and then corn for merienda. Tignan nyo naman, kumpleto. Talagang may soy sauce, vinegar, oil. Kumpleto na, no? This is the Macy's. Do you like it here, Han?
Yeah.
Kumpleto, no? Tapos ang ganda ng mga gamit nila. Sobrang talagang inisip nila yung mga guests nila dito. Yung hindi na mahasal, yung hindi na lumabas, no? Pagod na. Pagod na siya, pero naka-aircon naman dito sa loob.
Meron pa palang additional room dito sa likod. Hi, Kai! So, dito, sa may dirty kitchen, meron pang isang kwarto. May TV, may aircon din, split type, ayan. Tapos may extra mattresses pa din. At, ang maganda dito, may sarili siyang CR. Meron din mga extra pillows, extra blankets. So, ayan. Sobrang convenient. Just in case may emergency, may stretcher. Meron silang additional sampayan. This.
We're gonna go to the beach. Ito yung nag-trending na beach before, which is Dakota Kelwarga. So, we'll just check if pwede namin siyang silipin. Kasi, wanna bring her there. Kasi maganda talaga yung sand nila dun eh. And exclusive for Kota Kelwarga guest. Medyo, actually, rough road pa rin siya eh. I've been here 3 years ago. 3 or 4 years ago, yeah. Rough road pa rin siya. Bawal bumaba. So, kahit silipin yung beach, guys, bawal. Kailangan mo lang magbayad ng day tour, which is 1,000 pesos. So, hindi na lang. Babalik na lang kami. Kasi hindi naman din kami magtatagal.
Kai, kamusta naman ang pagba-barbecue natin?
May nasunog na.
Ayan. May talong, may barbecue, and mamaya may hotdog na may lumalabas. Kasi cheese. Kali! Calypso! Ang ganda nung pool. Tapos lahat ng, tapos meron ng mga salbabida and life vest for humans, for kids, and for doggies. Ayan na po, mag-video okay na po tayo. Frank Sinatra. Akala ko si Engelbert Humperdinck eh. Ayan na siya.
Let me see what's So, nakapag-swimming na kami. And then, nakapag-merienda na rin. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga dito. So, sulit. Sulit talaga. So, we booked this. Pag 4 packs kayo, 6,000 pesos. I think pag 10, 7 to 10 ata. It's 9,000 if I'm not mistaken. So, we're just waiting for sunset. Nakapag-ihaw na rin kami. Sobrang ganda ng property, guys. Alam nyo, ang hirap-hirap humanap ng property na pets allowed and then wala pang pet fee. But here, grabe. I'm just waiting to, for, I think solar ata yung mga string lights nila yun. So, we'll check. I'll show you my Kuya Boris. Hi, Boris! Boris! Enjoy ka dyan? Grabe. Sobrang ganda dito, guys. And just so you know, sobrang kompleto lahat. Even yung shampoo for your pets, meron din sila dito. Ang ganda. Such a nice place. I would definitely recommend. And talagang sinecheck na namin when we can come back. Ang sabi nga sa amin dito kanina ni Kuya Guard, ito yung Airbnb ito laging puno. And now, I understand why. So, mag-dinner lang kami. Ginagawa rin namin yung cake ng kids. Kasi syempre, birthday ni Calypso today. Dapat meron siyang cake. Na ang ating birthday girl. Hi, Calypso! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Calypso! Birthday niya kasi, guys. Mamaya yung kanyang cake. Mamaya pa yung cake daw niya, mama. Magbo-blow ba yan? Magbo-blow. Naghihintay na yung kanyang mga bisita. Dinner. Watermelon, mango. Uy, masarap yung barbecue ng Landers, guys, ah. No, Kai?
Timplado na yan, timplado.
And then, ihaw na bangus. Ensalada, corn. Ipakik din para sa tao. Hello! Thank you, Kai, for cooking and making ihaw. Making ihaw! Dinner na kami. Hi, so we're ready na. We're ready to go to bed. Pero parang yung mga kids, hindi pa. Naglalaro pa sila. So, I think this is the best time to review this place. Stay to the point. Are we coming back? Yes, definitely. Everything here is worth it, guys. Parang, this is yung Airbnb na wala ka nang kailangang dalhin. Siguro we'll start with yung mga supplies mo for cooking, lahat nandito na, available na siya. Meron na pa siyang toyo, may suka, meron pang oil, no, Han? May uling na rin. May dishwashing
may
liquid.
uling na.
As in, kompleto. Kompleto talaga siya. The only thing that you need to bring is yung lutuin ninyo.
May gas.
May gas siya, may spare pa silang gas, may washing machine. Tapos, ganda na room namin, no? May projector pala siya, guys. If nakikita niyo yan dyan. May projector siya. We booked this sa Facebook for only 6,000 pesos. That's staycation in the iya. Try ko mag-insert ng picture ng Facebook page nila dito. I think if you book this on Airbnb, it's a bit more expensive. Magkano siya, Han, if Airbnb?
Parang mga 9K.
Parang 9K. We got this for 6,000 for up to 4 packs. Anything ng above 4 packs, if I'm not mistaken, is parang 9,000 ata. But let me double check. I'll try to put the correct rates sa caption. So again, this is very sulit. As in, everything you need nandito na. Pet friendly, no pet fee. The owner, very mabait din kausap. Sobrang bilis talaga siya. So, we'll definitely come back. At least may nahanap na tayo, no? May nahanap na kami na pwede yung pets kasi talagang kawawa sila. Sorry, so I have the updated price from their Facebook page. So 2 to 4 packs, that's 6,000. 5 to 6 is 8K. 7 to 8 is 10. And then 9 to 12 is 13K. No pet fee, no fee for children below 5 years old. By day tour din sila, guys. Kasi the rates that I gave you, good for 22 hours na yun. That's 1 p.m. to 11 a.m. Pero kung magde-day tour kayo 8 a.m. to 5, as low as 4,000 siya for 2 to 4 packs. So, you can message them on their Facebook page. Projector sa room!
Super ganda. Super galing. Kasi may projector. There you go. You can play YouTube, Netflix, Disney Channel, and kung ano-ano pa. Just need to log in. And then for YouTube, you can do, sign in as guest. Ayan, so watching the vlogs with the babies.
Good morning! So, nagkakape muna. Ganun pala. Sarap ng tulog ko, guys. Pero kasi sobrang aga na dumating ko ng workers dito. Ayun o. Ayun sila. Sobrang aga na dumating. So, medyo maingay. Parang 6 o'clock. Nagiging na sila. Ayun na sila. So, nag-maingay. Iisip ako kung magsuswimming pa ako or hindi na. We'll see. It's almost check-out time. I'm just cooking tikoy. And then sila naman ay naliligo. Ayan o. Hindi na kasi pinalabas kasi malinis na sila. Dahil pag nilabas nyo pa yan, nako. Well, not yet almost check-out time kasi it's just 9:30. Check-out is 11. Ginagawa ko lang sila ng food. Nakapaglinis na rin kami here. We're checking out na. So, nalinis na namin lahat. Natapon na rin namin yung mga basura. We're ready to head out kasi it's a Monday. May pasok pa si Mrs. ng 4 p.m. But so far, we really enjoyed our stay. Sobrang ganda dito. We will definitely come back. Tamahan. Balik kami with the rest of our family. So, I'll include the details para you can message them directly. I don't know if it's the same rate kapag sa Airbnb or sa Facebook. Pero I suggest sa Facebook na lang kasi mabilis naman silang sumagot. Thanks for watching the vlog! Bye!